Welcome back to Channel Reset Coin.
To an extraordinary episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of numismatics, exploring the often overlooked, yet incredibly valuable, 2004 Lincoln penny. This unassuming coin holds secrets that could change your perspective on pocket change forever. Join us as we uncover the astounding value and rich history behind the 2004 Lincoln penny. Prepare to be amazed. Behold, the 2004 Lincoln penny. At first glance, it may seem like just a regular coin, but this unassuming piece of copper is a treasure trove of history and value. Minted in the midst of the new millennium, this penny has a story to tell, one that goes beyond its face value. Let's journey back to 2004, a year marked by cultural shifts and technological advancements. In the midst of this era, the 2004 Lincoln penny was minted, representing a snapshot of its time. But what makes this coin truly exceptional? Its rarity, condition, and the fervor of collectors and enthusiasts eager to add this gem to their collections. But why is the 2004 Lincoln penny worth so much more than its face value? Its high worth is a result of various factors, including its mint condition, potential errors, and the demand among collectors. Some specific varieties and errors from 2004 have been known to fetch significant sums at auctions, making diligent collectors keen-eyed treasure hunters. Absolutely, the 2004 Lincoln penny is a numismatic marvel. Its value lies not just in its age, but in the intricacies of its production. Varieties like double dies and rare mint marks can elevate the value of this seemingly ordinary coin to impressive heights. The thrill of discovering such treasures is what makes coin collecting a truly exciting hobby. And there you have it, folks, the captivating tale of the 2004 Lincoln penny, a coin with a value that defies expectations. Whether you're an avid collector, an investor, or just someone fascinated by the stories within currency, this penny serves as a reminder that treasures can be found in unexpected places. Thank you for joining us on this incredible numismatic journey. Until next time, happy hunting, and may you uncover your own priceless pieces of history.